Hey there, I've got the new LG V60 ThinQ 5G. That's right, so now if you remember the ThinQ, the dual screen ThinQ, it's basically two screens. Here, this is an upgrade, not a major redesign, a subtle redesign, but 5G is probably one of the big deals here. It's also now 6.8 inches. It's a huge OLED screen, and you have, once again, this is where you can put it inside and have two screens, two 6.8 inch screens. You have 64 megapixel that will shoot at 16 megapixels, but you can shoot at 64 megapixels to pull in extra light, especially for low light, and 10x super zoom shots, which are kind of a combination of optical and digital. Front camera is a 10 megapixel camera, selfie camera. There's still a notch in the screen for it, so it's not drilled straight through. But otherwise, the screen does go edge to edge. Inside, you've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G mobile CPU, and you've got a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That's a big battery, which is going to mean more battery life, but it's important. You need more battery power, more battery life for 5G. So these guys start at 8 gigabytes of RAM inside, 128 gigabytes of storage. You also have a 256 gigabyte option, and yes, there is an SD card slot for upgrading the storage way up. They've got voice focus, which reduces ambient noise when you're shooting video and actually focuses in on the voices in a shot. There are 4 microphones, which is going to help with that voice focus, and there are 2 speakers for stereo audio. You've got 3D audio, the same 3D audio you find on an LG OLED TV. Pricing for the LG V60 ThinQ 5G has not been set, but it is expected to appear on most major carriers this spring. So what I think of the LG V60 ThinQ 5G, especially with the dual screen option, it's a big device. A lot of screen real estate. We've got the gamepad controller if we want to put that on the other screen. A lot of phone, 5G, coming this spring. Exciting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, remember to rate, review, and subscribe.